CLT, Combine Like Terms. CLT is an abbreviation for Combine Like Terms, and means to add together like algebraic terms which have the same variables raised to the same power. Here is an example of non-like terms, x plus 2. And x and a2 are not like terms and therefore cannot be added together. They must remain separate as in, quote, x plus 2, end quote. Given the next example, 3x squared plus 4x minus 6 plus 5 plus 7. The 4x and the minus 6x are like terms because they contain the same variable raised to the same power and can be combined or added to equal minus 2x. The 5 and the 7 can be added because both contain no variable to equal 12. Therefore, after combining like terms, we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 12. Combining like terms is adding terms containing the same variable raised to the same power. Related words: constant, coefficient, variable, term.